Alright, I'm going to show you all how to solve systems of equations using substitution. The reason I use substitution is because my functions, my equations look like this. So one of them's in slope-intercept form and one of them's in standard form. So this is what y equals, which means I can put it in here for the y. So I rewrite the second equation, except for where the y was, I just put a blank. And then I'm going to plug this in, 1/2 x plus 6. I'm going to distribute the 3. I'm going to combine the like terms here. I'm going to try to get the x by itself by subtracting this first. And then dividing. After I figure out what x is, just like before, I'm going to plug it into the equation. I can pick either one. Oops. So don't forget we're looking for a point. Our point is going to be -4, 4. That's where we break even point. Do another example. So this is what y equals. I'm going to plug that in for the y. Rewrite this whole equation, except for instead of the y, I just put parentheses. Plug in what the y equals. I'm going to distribute. I'm going to combine the like terms. Bring this over. Divide. Whatever that equals. I'm going to leave it as a fraction. To find the y, I'm going to plug that back in. I would need a calculator to do this. So since I don't have a calculator, I'm not going to figure out what that is. I'm just going to pretend that this equals 12. I know it doesn't, but I'm going to do 12 minus 9 equals 3. So my point is, and if I had a calculator, I'd be able to do that guy, but I can't do it on the top of my head. Sometimes it'll be the x equals. Doesn't matter. So now this is what x equals. Sorry, it should be a y there. This is what x equals. So this time I'm going to plug it in for the x. So I'm going to rewrite this second equation, except for the x. I'm going to put parentheses, and I'm going to fill that in with what it equals. I'm going to distribute. I have like terms here. I'm going to combine those like terms. Subtract this. And divide. I'm going to take that and plug it in. I don't have a calculator, so I don't know what that is. I'm going to pretend that this whole thing equals 3. So I'm going to put it as a point. And hopefully that makes sense.